Hello and very warm welcome to this episode in which I'm going to talk about top tips for managing meetings effectively. Jokingly, it's always said that meetings are where people discuss for hours in order to draw minutes. There's another joke about it wherein it said meetings are the discussions on what they discussed in previous meetings in order to discuss it in the future meetings. Leaving jokes apart, on an average, 1/3 or half the time of a professional executive is spent in meetings. How many of them actually reach to the purpose for which they've been called? Or have there been any concrete decisions? So meetings are always called for taking decisions, making a well-informed decisions, or building a consensus, so on and so forth. There are various forms of meetings, okay? Team meetings, review meetings, board meetings, so on and so forth. Now I'm going to talk to you about a few tips which would ensure that the meetings are effective. I often use this approach called PAT, where P stands for purpose, A for agenda, T for time. Define the purpose for which this meeting is called. Ensure that you stick to that purpose. Second, define the agenda along with time limit for each of the items in the agenda. Circulate that agenda well in advance so that people are well prepared and they know what's there in the store. For example, if it's a review meeting, we say that first introduction, then followed by 20 minutes or 25 minutes presentation on project milestones, 10 minutes discussion on the decisions to be taken, and rest 10 minutes on conclusion. So this is PAT approach: purpose, agenda and time. Second thing that I always advise in terms of meetings to be managed well, it's very important that you define who's going to chair the meetings, who's going to record the minutes, and most importantly, who is also going to be participant and observers. So divide your audience into two: A, participants; B, observers. Observers are not the people who would merely observe, but also look at various aspects of the meeting for future. Third, circulate the minutes of the previous meeting, the decisions taken, and keep reviewing them. Another most important thing is arrange meetings only when it is important. There are various online tools available such as Messenger, a collaborative whiteboard, so on and so forth. So if it is really required for us to meet in person, otherwise a telecall or a virtual meeting is also a way out. Always remember, if you want your meetings to be productive, use these approaches: PAT, define the agenda, divide people into observers and participants, and most importantly, if any irrelevant topic comes out, simply say that you'll take it offline and have it one-on-one rather than discussing it into the meetings. This way the meeting is going to be more productive and you will find you've done a real good job with the limited time that you have for the meeting. Thank you.